Hello, lazy bones. Hello. You gonna miss me? Are you gonna miss me? Oh, you're so sleepy. Look at that face. Oh, we're so sleepy. I love you. Oh, I'm so sad. Don't be sad. Oh, I love you. Good morning, guys. It is bright and early, and I am wrecked. I'm heading off to the airport right now. Flight is not till 2 o'clock. So, no, sorry. My flight is at 10 to 2, so I have plenty of time. I want to go see my nanny and my granddad before I leave. I'm gonna put on a bit of makeup this morning, I think, because my skin is looking awful. I'm staying in a fabulous hotel the first night, right near Hanoi. It is called, hang on now till I find the name of it. It is called the Viola Royal Hotel and Spa, and it is in Lung Nok Ken Sir Hoam. Oh my god, it's in Hanoi anyway. Beautiful hotel, you'll get to see it when I arrive. I'm very much looking forward to it. Decided after my long flight that it would be best if I stayed somewhere nice when I arrive. So that's the plan. I can't wait to kind of get out there, have my adventure, and you know, see a bit of the world, a different part of the world. A lot of you are like, oh my god, I can't believe we're just heading off, and I was like, got asked to go on an opportunity to a different country, why not take it? You're self-employed, you don't have to give notice to your boss, just head off and go. Ollie gave me her St. Christopher's medal this morning before I leave. Mom was like, I wanted to get your own St. Christopher's medal, but she ended up in hospital 2 nights ago with a suspected clot, so that was really panicking me, because I was like, how can I go away and my mom's sick? But she's fine. The clot seemed to have dissolved. It was in her leg and they were afraid of her travelling and stuff like that. But Ollie gave me her St. Christopher's instead, so it's kind of like a bit of Ollie that I'm bringing with me. First day vlog will probably be a bit dull because I'll be travelling for the next 18 hours to Hanoi. My flight's from Dublin to Dubai, and then I wait there for 3 hours, and then my flight leaves Dubai at 3 in the morning and arrive in Hanoi at 1:15 Vietnamese time, which is actually like 7 in the morning Irish time. And I have like a group chat set up with my sister and Damien and my mum and dad so that they can keep up to date with my travels, because it's going to be awkward just texting the same thing to the same people who live in the same house, except for Damien obviously, but he's like, I have to keep up to date with everything you're doing. And he was over here last night, and I was, because I just texted him, I was like, please come see me before I go, and he was like, of course. So he was over with me last night, and then he left around 9, had a shower, did the whole usual, and yeah, here we are right now. So I'll show you what I'm wearing if it's any interest to you guys. My room's like a tip, like an absolute tip. You know what it's like when you're packing. So I'm wearing this oversized pink t-shirt. I'm wearing a white t-shirt underneath from Penny's. Then I'm wearing my pink leggings. I love these leggings. I got them about a week ago and I just love them. They're really cute, and they have like the big pink obnoxious logo, but they make your bum look nice, because I don't really have much of one. And then I'm wearing my, what are they called, my Nike Air Force One runners. They're like so clunky, but they're really comfortable and all I need for traveling. Like, this is the height of it. I'm gonna wear a denim jacket, and I'm bringing a hoodie just in case if I need one. And my hair just is not gonna be doing anything other than this. Oh yeah, I got all my hair extensions taken out, guys. I'll take down my hair so you can see it's into its little bob again. I know a lot of you like that. I'm gonna straighten it. It looks longer when it's actually straightened. My hair has actually grown so much lately. Like, when I went into the hairdresser, like, wow, your hair's actually grown loads. And I was like, yeah, I know. I can't exactly have like big long hair extensions and try and style them every day. My short hair is much more convenient. Got all my injections 2 weeks ago, as you guys know. And everyone was like, where are you going? And I was like, I can't tell you because I haven't gotten my Chinese visa, but now you all know that I'm going to Vietnam and China. I can't wait. I'm just so excited. So I think that's all I need to update you guys on. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna go get brekkie now and something to drink because I'm parching. All packed, ready to go. I have my suitcase. And this is the bag I'm bringing on the plane. I was going to bring a wheelie bag, but then I'd have 2 wheelie bags. I don't really want to. I have my little backpack and I just kind of have all my important stuff in there. Flight details, money, my diary, camera. Like, I bought a face mask on that there. What else have I got in here? Oh, my wallet, sunglasses, the usual. So this is going to go on my back, and then I just have a few earrings in the front pouch here because I didn't want to put them in there in case they got broken. Hey guys, so I'm just gone through security. I'm in the airport now. There was an issue with my passport and my visa for Vietnam, but I got it fixed and sorted, and we're en route to the gate now because I have 20 minutes to board my plane. Basically, my visa, they made an error with the digits on my visa versus my passport, and they had to change it and ring the embassy over there and get it adjusted. It was a pain in the butt, but it's done, and now I'm on the way to Dubai, and then we're stopping over there for 3 hours, and then on the way to Hanoi, and I can't wait. I'm so excited to get there. Oh, I'm just living for this trip. So I'm gonna go to the bathrooms first and then sort my life out, I guess. Where are they? This way. Yeah, and then go to the gate, get onto my plane and just kind of sit there for the next 7 hours. I'm gonna get a book before I leave as well because I just want something to read and relax. And that's basically it. So I'm at gate number 10, so that's where I'm heading to right now. There's all the ladies waiting for the flight. So I'll go and take a seat. Hey guys, so I'm just after getting off my 7-hour flight. I'm now in Dubai and I'm waiting to get my flight to Hanoi. So I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping, as in getting sweets and stuff in duty free, because I didn't really pick up too much when I was in Dublin because I literally had to fly. Oh my god, that Porsche was amazing. I'm absolutely knackered, but it's really only like 11 o'clock Irish time, so I shouldn't be that tired, but I think it's just kind of, I don't know, I'm all over the place. So I'm gonna go and get some chocolates now to bring on the plane. I'll talk to you in a bit. So I'm sitting in this really nice cafe, and look at the state of my makeup. Like, why did I even bother with it this morning? Anyway, I'm in this really nice cafe And the guy was asking me like where I was from behind the counter. He was like, your accent is beautiful. He was like, where are you from? And I was like, Ireland. He was like, it's on my bucket list. I have to go and visit there. So I'm already making friends and I'm not even in Hanoi yet. I am getting really, really tired now. I was just talking to my mum there and they were tracking my flights and, you know, seeing whereabouts in the world I was, and they were just keeping up to date with my flight all day today because obviously I left at like 2, so they were like checking to see where in the world I was. The flight actually went really, really, really quick, but it was kind of a bit odd. There was a lady sitting beside me on the flight and she was so lovely, like really, really nice, and she was with her daughter. I'd say she was in like her mid-60s and her daughter was probably in her mid-30s, but every now and again I'd look next to her and she was crying. Like, and I don't mean like, you know, a little glistening tear, like I mean in convulsions crying. And her daughter was comforting her or something, so obviously they lost somebody or got bad news or something. But I felt like, you know, the way like there's nothing you can do in a certain situation. She was being real nice to me already throughout the flight. Like, she had a pack of Oreos and she offered me one, then I had lollies and I was like, do you want one? And she was just really, really nice. I felt kind of bad because every time I looked at her she was crying and I was like, oh my god. Just realised my battery's dying, so I will have to charge it when I get to Hanoi and talk to you then, sadly.